So in this video, I'll give you a blues lick with a ton of delay on it. That is such a nice bending exercise, and it's really a strength exercise as well. So this is really cool. And it's super simple. Let's just go right into it. I'm in the first position, minor pentatonic in the 12th fret, which would mean that I'm playing the E minor pentatonic or the E blues scale if I add the blue note. All right? And I'm just gonna cut all that delay. And what I do is I bend the 14th fret on the G string, right? And then once it's up there, and I can have all my fingers, my two other fingers, cover all the strings so they're muted. So the only note that is fretted is the one in the 14th fret on the G string, right? And then I really strum those strings slowly to get that sound. And then what I do is I bend it all the way up to, right? So up to that note, or right? Or I can bend it up to the semitone above if I want to get a more bluesy sound. And in the beginning, then the other note I can hit is the 12th fret on the B string, right? But I stop the sound of the bend by placing my pick ready to do an upstroke in the 12th fret on the B string. So I go first, and now my pick is positioned so I can go, all right? And then I go right back to the, right? And then I go right back to my other note. I don't take it down, I keep it up there. And then I take it down, right? So, and then pull off to the 12th fret. So that's the first thing you want to loop. Again, slowly. Right? That's one option. You can also have them ring out. So you go, right? That's pretty cool. Then you can really, with this note, you can determine whether or not you actually hit one whole tone above. Right? And then you take it down, you pick it again, and then you pull off down to 12. Right? So you want to do this first. Right? And then you can do something else. You can hit the 12th fret on the high E string instead. So you go, same lick, just this note instead. Right? And then I can alternate between the two. Right? And if you're not used to bending, your third finger is going to be pretty beat up pretty soon. So what I then do is I can also go up, and this is kind of difficult with the muscular things going on in your hand here and your underarm, but that's the exercise. So now I'm going to bend up, and then I'm going to hit the 15th fret on the B string. Right? So, and then bring it down again. There you get that country sound going. Right? So see if you can go, right? And use your ears and record yourself so you can really get the sound right. So, right? And then I have a final note. I can go up for the same fret, but now the E string. Right? And you can determine whether you want that little dissonance of. Sounds pretty great, right? I'm sorry. I like that. That is the sound of it. Right? Right? So have fun with this. And as I said, it's a really good exercise. Also, that bend up there. Are you hitting the right note? Oh, you can also do. I'm only bending a semitone now. to get that extra bluesy sound. So have fun with it. And I hope that you'll subscribe to this channel, please, if you like the content. And then hit the bell icon and go download the free course we have below in the description here. No strings attached. And I'll see you in one of the videos that pops up on the screen here.